We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make our seriously good turkey burgers. These are tasty, healthy, and stay juicy. The secret is to add mushrooms. Mushrooms keep them juicy and flavorful. If you aren't a mushroom lover, don't run away. You won't actually taste them. They just make the burgers taste more meaty. Trust us on this one.
Be sure to brush any dirt off of them, then cut the mushrooms into very small pieces. This way, they disappear into the burger patties. We chop by hand, but a food processor makes quick work of this step. Chop some garlic, then move on to cooking the mushrooms.
Add the mushrooms to an oiled skillet with salt and pepper. Let them cook until they give off excess liquid and it simmers away. Stir in the garlic and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. Now take the skillet off of the heat and stir in fish sauce, or use Worcestershire sauce, and some ketchup. We are adding so much flavor here. When the mushroom mixture is cool, combine it with ground turkey. We prefer 93% lean, but 99% lean will work. The burgers will just be a bit less tender. Here's a tip. If you're worried about the seasoning, cook a tiny patty before cooking the rest of the mixture. If it seems under-seasoned, season with a little more salt. Form the turkey mixture into 4 patties. The mixture is a little sticky, so work quickly and use a light touch.
Heat some oil in a wide non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add the burgers, then cook 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until an internal thermometer reads 165 degrees F when inserted into the middle of a patty. You know Joanne's making it because she adds avocado on top. See how juicy they are? Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.